Getting ready to make a meal in my Ninja Speedy. I'm going to do like, sort of like a stir fry at the bottom. And I'm going to barbecue me some chicken. I'm going to air fry it a little bit. Then I'm going to show you. This Kinder seasoning, the wood fire garlic. Oh, with hardwood smoke flavoring, this has become my favorite seasoning. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It's going to take about 6 or 7 minutes to warm up. So the seasoning I'm going to be doing is Speedy Meals Steaming Crisps. So what I'm going to do, flip that up to rapid cooker, and I think I'm gonna do 20 minutes, but I'm gonna flip it and see. Gotta make sure. See, now it's going. So I'm gonna do 20 minutes. I'm gonna do the chicken 10 on each side and see how it looks. Then we're gonna go from there. I got on 390, so now I'm gonna turn it down some because I'm finna flip it. Okay, I turned it down to 330. I wasn't even thinking I meant to turn it down when I first did it, but I'm gonna see. And I think now I'm gonna lift up the tray and check on the rice. See, now I'm checking on the rice. Put some seasoning in it, so I know the carrots ain't quite ready, but I'm gonna do a little taste test. And we're gonna see. Just really want to see if the rice is ready. I don't think it is. Actually, I forgot to pull out me a carrot. The rice is ready. See, I flipped the chicken. And the timer is 5:30, so I'm probably going to do add another 5 minutes, maybe another 7 minutes. We've got to make sure this chicken done. They're done. You can't see it on here, but I did use my thermometer. I want to make sure there was at least 172. Got the one side with barbecue sauce on them. I'm finna flip them. And it's about 3 minutes left, so I'll probably let these go to 3 minutes. Just, let the barbecue sauce cook a little bit. And here we are with the barbecue sauce on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm put some foil over there because I want the barbecue sauce to caramelize, but I don't want the tops getting so burnt. The rice is done. My chicken need to caramelize a little bit more. So I'm going to put it back in there for like 3 minutes. Well, I was going to put them back in there, but I'm tired of cooking for today. So I'm going to take them out, fix my plate, and show you guys how good it looks and how good it's going to taste. I can't wait. This is my little plate. I got these, you know, to kind of help with portion size. I know it looked blue, but it's purple. I'm done for the day, and it took about maybe 7 minutes to warm up. I gave the chicken another 5 minutes, so no, another 7 minutes. So I think I did like 20 something minutes, something like that. Had to make sure the chicken was done.